cabin is pressurized for your comfort. Should the cabin pressure change in flight, an oxygen mask will appear from the mask compartment above your seat. When this happens, quickly reach for the mask and pull it firmly towards you. This starts the flow of oxygen. Please ensure the plastic bag is clear of the mask and place a yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Secure it to your face with the elastic band, which can be tightened by pulling on the tabs located on either side of the mask. The plastic breather bag may not necessarily inflate. Continue to breathe normally until advised that it is no longer needed. We suggest that you secure your mask first, then assist your child with an additional mask, making sure that it fits tightly to the face. A life vest is located in a plastic container beneath your seat. To remove the life vest from the container, pull up on the red tab. Remove the life vest from the plastic bag by pulling the plastic tab. Hold the life vest in front of you. Pull the vest over your head and wrap the strap around your waist. Attach the buckle and pull the loose end to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab in front or by blowing air into the tube at the top. It is a federal offense to remove any vest from the aircraft. For operation of the infant life vest, please refer to the safety briefing card or ask a flight attendant. A cabin safety card containing more information about this aircraft is located in your seat pocket ahead of you. We ask that you take a few moments to review this important safety information. We ask your assistance in preparing the cabin for our departure. Please check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is closed and locked, your seat back is in its full upright position, and your carry-ons are properly stowed. Passengers seated next to a window, please raise your window shades for takeoff. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is not permitted at any time on board this flight. For your safety, our laboratories are equipped.
Look at that! Look at those airplanes! Mommy and Daddy! Mommy and Daddy, look at them!
Freshwater, which is unlike canals.